Oh, hi. If there is something that anybody will ever experience in his or her life, is failure. So, uh, failure sometimes uh, is a way for us to learn some lessons so that when we do that same task in the future, we will be a better person to handle the situation. And definitely, a collective set of circumstances that appear to be not within our desire can be termed as failure. But how should we react on it? Because obviously, the human nature would bring us to despair or worry when we do not get what we desire or if something is taken away from us. So obviously, we need a different kind of mindset to react on failure. Failures can be avoided definitely by three things, at least three things. One, by learning from past mistakes, and number two, being proactive about things. In the business world, we have what we call risk management that can somehow predict and react on a possible failure without it happening first. And thirdly, there will always be unexpected circumstances that can happen to your work, to your business, etc. And that's where your CEO mindset would come into play. Because obviously, when it comes to work or business, failure is measured by way of, uh, or I should say, there is a monetary uh, uh, counterpart to failure. Let's say you failed at your work, so the end result could be a loss of possible opportunities, and that would mean uh, you being uh, taken away from opportunities to grow, to earn more, etc. And same with business. But again, uh, for a CEO mindset, it is about looking at things from a profit and loss point of view. So definitely, if something is taken away, let's say a revenue stream, then the next best thing to do is to discover other possible revenue streams. If there are additional costs, then that's where continuous improvement, innovation would come into play. And definitely, these challenges uh, gave birth to a lot of new discoveries like what we now have, which is AI, uh, because as they say, uh, invention of something new is a result of a need because of certain challenges that I have mentioned. So guys, these circumstances that somehow affect us, these so-called failures, are are necessary for us to grow. It's just a matter of how we look at them and how we will uh, act on them. Easier said than done, right? But if we have a way of looking at those things from a logical point of view, then definitely we can take advantage of the lesson and be a better person, a better leader, or just being good on how we do things. So, failures, as they say, are necessary for us to grow. Thank you.